Congratulations, sir, for winning Asia's finest CDO award.
Thank you, Vivekji. Thank you. It's a very prestigious award, and I'm glad to get from the India's best platform for insurance. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Sir, my first question to you was, what is your mantra for success in times to come and at the present situation, looking at the pandemic?
A very interesting sawal, Vivekji. So my success mantra is to first invest in people, both professionally and personally. Look at their overall development. The cause is, it's only because you invest in people, people will go over and beyond their call of the job and make the organization successful, help the vision of the organization come true. My leadership style has been to be a friend and a mentor to my team. It's important to help them, nurture them as leaders, and drive an organization culture so that becomes an integral part of the working that they do. I think often leaders undermine this importance of helping their teams get better, and they do a slight superficial job. But if you really want to do development people, it has to be both personally and professionally, and that's when people go over and beyond the call of the job. What's more critical is, आपका सवाल इस कोविड के एनवायरनमेंट के बैकड्रॉप में था. I think COVID has taught us that as leaders, it's not only important to be intellectually smart, it's also important to be emotionally smart. This time tells you to be balanced between EQ and IQ. Too much of IQ and no EQ will be a disbalanced leadership style. So balance between emotional intelligence is an important one. And that's what I've learned in this COVID period. So,
what do you suggest to the young generations or the new people who are entering insurance industry or who are studying and in process of entering the industry?
My big advice, people looking to join the industry will be, this is a great industry. It has a very important part to not only financial services in the country, but plays a very, very important role in helping India create a savings habit. उसके अलावा इस profession में there is a very big amount of nobility. You are in some sense acting as a guardian angel to a family in case of financial crisis. Please remember the element that you're not only going to help India prosper, help people live a secure life, but you will also bring nobility to the profession. इसके अलावा मेरी 2-3 और advice है young professionals को. I think what's more important is to have an attitude of never say never. Don't try and limit your life with newer experiences. Closing yourself to newer experiences and learnings is a huge roadblock to people getting their own success. मेरी दूसरी thing है, linked to the first one. Experiences give you new learnings, help you to open new doors to success. Experience हर तरह का is very good and bad. The bad is even better than the good, because the bad experiences teaches you for things that you can now learn and do much better in future. It's like, in your bad times, you made the mistake and you paid the price. And if you paid a price, you might as well keep the learnings with you and don't repeat them again. My third advice will be, is to conduct oneself with compassion. हम सब लोगों ना थोड़ा सा we have become very slightly arrogant with success. I think compassion and the sense of giving back to society is an important virtue, and it not only makes you successful but makes you very contented while you're successful. So having compassion is an equally important thing. And my last advice to youngsters is for individuals to be a go-getter is to have a can-do attitude, because your attitude is like your price tag, which shows your value to society and your organization. Important to have a great attitude, and if you have a great attitude, nothing is difficult to achieve in life. That's my advice to youngsters.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your advice. I think the young generation will listen to them, will listen to you, and will be definitely motivated to get all the success they want in their life.
Thank you, Vivek ji, for the great platform, and may God give you more power to help this platform grow and create more insurance awareness and help society lead a protected life. Thank you, Vivek ji.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir.